Welcome to SciOx for Alba Introduction. Alba is a general-purpose application-level service platform to execute processes on behalf of client computers that either cannot execute these processes for any reason, or that wish to offload these processes even if they can do it themselves. Among the possible reasons to execute these processes on Alba instead of the client side, we can mention: client computer does not have the required resources or data to execute the process itself. Executing on Alba is cheaper than on the client computer. Execution on Alba is faster than on the client computer. Alba is a new way to virtualize servers and processors at application level. The grids built with Alba can be seen as virtual application servers, and the nodes as virtual application processors. With Alba, creating a new grid and new nodes is dynamical, and there is no need to stop to add or modify grids and nodes in the system while processing. The benefits are that grids and nodes are not bound to a single server, and gives scalability, resilience, and optimize the resources usage of every physical virtual server in the network. This structure allows the execution of both scientific and business applications. Alba provides the virtualization of application services or tasks on a network of heterogeneous servers. For example, execution of a sort service. The application services are configured as independent execution processors, the nodes, that can be set and managed in related functional groups that are called grids, for example, batch grid, transactional grid, development grid, accounting grid, payroll grid, etc. Grouping several nodes in a grid is usually designed to ensure not only related functional capabilities, but also scalability, redundancy, and guarantee of execution. Each node inherits the properties of the server where it will be executing, for example, disk capacity, RAM memory, processor speed. The network of servers may be physical or virtual or a mix, and may be located on premises or on different hybrid clouds or internet. Alba allows the mixing of heterogeneous servers. It means they do not have to be of the same computer brand, nor have the same memory, or processors, or storage, etc. The servers may be provisioned from a variety of sources: client data center, physical servers or virtual servers, or from cloud providers or even internet. Alba requires that the servers be on the same network for each grid definition. The servers have to be able to execute Java applications. Alba is portable on different computers as it is written in Java, Perl and Rex. Typical Alba servers run on Red Hat Enterprise Linux or C Linux. Alba installation on each server of the repository transforms a bunch of heterogeneous servers in an organized and manageable repository of execution nodes. In theory, any number of nodes can be instantiated on each server. In practice, the number of nodes will be limited by the resources and configuration of the servers. Each node remembers and inherits each server capacity, configuration, and available services. Thanks to this knowledge, Alba will know which nodes can potentially execute a service, and will choose which available node will execute a process when requested. The last step of Alba administration is grid provisioning. From the node repository, Alba administration defines the grids that will execute the application services on behalf of client computers. A grid provides a further level of abstraction that gives automatic and dynamic properties that a traditional service on a computer cannot provide, as for example, no single point of failure, automatic reallocation of work, high degree of on-demand scalability, configuration flexibility and dynamic reconfiguration of nodes while running, centralized grid management, synchronous and asynchronous executions, redundancy of process executions, parallelization of executions, reporting, coordination of non-centralized resources. See our next video on the demo of Alba.